Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to unsuspend Twitter account. So here's the thing, you can restore your X or Twitter account by following a few easy steps. If it has been restricted, locked, or suspended, then Twitter believes you are using false information, spamming, running a bot, impersonating other accounts, or engaging in abusive or suspicious behavior. What you're going to do is to go to any web browser, help.twitter.com. Okay, so you're going to click or tap the very first link that you will see here. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is you just have to go to the search bar and then kindly type appeal. So you will see options below once you type this one. So what you're going to do is to click this appeal a lock or suspended account. Tap this one. So once you tap this, it will take you directly to this page where you can see tons of reasons why your account has been suspended or locked. So all you have to do is to pick one, and then each of this has its instruction on how are you going to retrieve, recover, or unsuspend your Twitter account. So in case that you can see that answer or solution here, what you're going to do next is you just have to go to Google web browser again, but this time you're going to type something like appeal to unsuspend your Twitter account, something like that, or send appeal to Twitter. Now, most of the cases, it would take you directly to the contact form or contact support. But if not, then you have to go to any help center in Twitter. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for contact form support or contact form. So I am now in helpful articles page. So I just search for the contact form here. And then after that, I scroll down and I see this contact or support team. So you just have to go to Help Center and search for contact support team. Now you can see here I'm having problems with account access. And all you have to do is to select the specific problem right here. Now if I tap this appeal a lock or suspended account, then it will take me directly to this where it says here I need to log out and log in with suspended account in order for me to have access to the contact form. So in case that you want to try, like, what if you try this, I believe that my account is hacked, then possible your account will also be retrieved. So if not, then you can click again another way on how to retrieve your account. So you can try this. I'm having problem with two-factor authenticator. So you can simply follow instructions here in order to retrieve your account. If not, then what you're going to do is to simply follow what this appeal or lock account says here, that you need to log in to your lock account so that it will take you directly to that contact form. So I do really hope that this video helped you. You just had to follow any of this method right here, and I hope you unsuspend your Twitter account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.